Hello and welcome to this new video on how to extend Agoda Cash expiry date. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So if you still have money in Agoda Cash and not going to use it soon, you just need to first try and contact the support via live chat. So for that you need to open the web browser, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on it. Now you just have to type Agoda live chat and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result. Just click on it and contact us page will be opened right in front of you. And when you're inside this page, you just have to look on the middle of the screen. There is contact Agoda customer service. Just click on it, and on the left hand side of the screen the live chat will be open. Now you just have to tell them that you are not going to use the Agoda Cash anytime soon and want to extend the Agoda Cash expiry date. They may reissue or renew the expiration date of your Agoda Cash as a courtesy. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.